Good morning, students. Now we'll see the solutions regarding the problem of cubic unit cell. So first you see the problem here. The problem is problem 1. The density of an atom is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. It has BCC structure. The edge length is 288 picometer. How many atoms of element does 208 gram of element has? So here you see that density of an atom, that means density of an element is given, that is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube, and the mass of the element is given, that is 208 gram. So we have a relation between density and mass, what that density is equal to mass by volume. So from this mass and the density given, we can find out the volume of this mass gram of element. So that means that is the total volume of the element given here. Again, the edge length is 288 picometer, that means A of the cubic unit cell is given. So from this we can find out the volume of the cubic unit cell. That volume of the cubic unit cell is equal to side cube, means edge length cube. So that is 288 picometer whole cube, or since that density is given in gram per centimeter, so we must convert this picometer to that of the centimeter. So this way we can find out the volume of the cubic unit cell. So the total volume of the given mass divided by volume of the cubic unit cell, that will give you the number of cubic unit cell. Total volume divided by the volume of one cubic unit cell, that will give you the number of cubic unit cell present in this much gram of element. Again, it has BCC structure. That means BCC structure means in one unit cell two number of atoms are present. So here the total number of atom of that element will be now 2 into number of unit cell. So 2 into number of unit cell present in this gram, that will be equal to the total number of atom present here. So this way we can calculate, or this way we can find out the number of atom present in this much gram of element. Now we'll again see here how to calculate. So here you see that given A is equal to 288 picometer. A means edge length, that is equal to 288 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter. We have converted this picometer to centimeter because the density is given in gram per centimeter cube. So that's why we must do the unit alike. Now volume of unit cell, therefore volume of the unit cell, that will be equal to A cube. That means 288 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter whole cube, and this will come out 2.39 into 10 to the power minus 23 centimeter cube if you do the multiplication here. So this is the volume of the unit cell. Again, volume of 208 gram of element, that will be equal to what? The density is equal to mass by volume. We know that density is equal to mass by volume. So therefore here if you see, volume will be equal to mass by density. So that means here that is mass by density. So that will be equal to, mass is 208 gram and density is 7.02 gram per centimeter cube. That will come out, sorry, here this is not 7.02, this is 7.2. So mass is 208 gram and density is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So gram cancel, and if you do the division here, it will come out exactly 28.8 centimeter cube. So this is the total volume of this much gram of element. Therefore number of unit cell, therefore number of unit cell, that will be equal to total volume of the given mass divided by volume of unit cell. Total volume divided volume of one unit cell. So total volume that we are getting 28.8 centimeter cube, and volume of one unit cell, that is 2.39 into 10 to the power minus 23 centimeter cube. Now if you do the division here, it will come out 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 unit cell. This much number of unit cells. Now since BCC cube has how much? 2 atoms. BCC unit has 2 atoms. Therefore total number of atoms in 208 gram, that will be equal to 2 atoms per unit cell, into total number of unit cell. So how many? That was 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 number of unit cells. So that means 2 into this much number of atoms. So that if you multiply, then it will come out 24.16 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. So this much of number of atoms are present in 208 gram of that element. So again we will see. So this was the problem. So the density of an atom is 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. It has BCC structure. The edge length is 288 picometer. How many atoms of element does 208 gram of element has? So now you see the solution here. So volume of unit cell, that is equal to side cube, that means 288 picometer whole cube. If you bring that picometer into centimeter, then it will be 288 into 10 to the minus 10 centimeter cube. So that will be equal to 2.39 into 10 to the minus 23 centimeter cube. That is the volume of unit cell. Next, volume of 208 gram element, that will be equal to mass divided by density. So that is equal to, mass is 208 gram and density is given 7.2 gram per centimeter cube. So this divided by this, that will come out 28.8 centimeter cube. Therefore the number of unit cell, the volume of the unit, volume of the element, that means total volume of the element, given element, that is total volume of 208 gram element, divided by volume of the unit cell. If you put the values already calculated, that will come out exactly 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 unit cell. Thus, since BCC cube has two atoms, already we know that BCC cubic unit cell, it has the two atoms. So therefore, the total number of atom in 208 gram, that will be equal to 2 atom per unit cell. In case of BCC unit cell, that is 2 into 12.08 into 10 to the power 23 unit cell. So that will come out 24.16 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this is the end of this problem. Thank you.